Kublai pi baro, pi apet ya kari khasi channel. Yon ras pi ya katuk kubor jonggani katayo. Kimat kibakongsan. U Dr. Mukul kum unong yalam kaliang persya ha assembly. Hadian balayo ka muhor na ulat. Mansapin bena election MDC. Ong u menteri ramba benra. Ben ko buram ka maus buit boxing club ya khadwingot ki kena ya lekai ka club. Bat ki weki kubor. Yan ya parliamentar sya ki kubor benya. U nong yalam ka TMC u balong u menteri yang ba barim ka jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ula shimti ya ka syuki kum unong yalam kaliang persya ha ka yang darbar thawaan ka jela.
Post of LO is a very important post. For example, now we have the State Security Commission. Okay, now if there is no LO, then from the opposition side there will be no representation in the State Security Commission, which is very, very crucial. Sometimes there are decisions that are taken, and maybe if there is the opposition, it will be a balanced and representation.
So why did you choose to support Dr. Mukul Sangma?
You see, because after we have discussed, then Dr. Mukul Sangma and from my side, from the CLP, decided to come together and ensure that the post of LO is not left vacant, and being the senior most and having the most number from the opposition, because there are 5 numbers and with me it becomes 6. So we have proposed, and I hope the speaker will agree to our proposal. Since we have come together, they will take the post of LO, and CL from the Congress will take the post of opposition chief.
But is there any method of...
See, we have written to the speaker. Now it's up to the prerogative of the speaker to accept our proposal.
Ulampang ka yang darbar thawaan ka jela u Thomas A. Sangma. Ula pentikna hagas ni balang. Bauba Ronnie V. Lingdo. Ula no ayakakam kum unong yalam kaliang persya. Ba ula ayaka shiti ban kersyan ya unong yalam ka TMC u Dr. Mukul Sangma.
Ulampang la pentibru ba Dr. Mukul Sangma nong yalam ke TMC Parliamentary Party. Ulawan ban kamkum nong yalam kaliang persya hapok Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
He, on his personal capacity, is not aware. The TMC has taken claim for the post of leader of opposition with the support from lone Congress MLA, Mr. Ronnie V. Lingdo. Yes, I have received. Anything else?
No, sir, will you approve the proposal, or will you consider?
Yeah, I received the letter of submission claiming staking claim to hold the get the position of leader of opposition, but I'm still examining it. I have received it, and I think I will be making a decision very soon.
So they don't have 10% like as per rule?
10% in a house of 60 is there because they have now a total of 6 members, which is just exactly 10% of the total strength of the house. So in that criteria, they have fulfilled that criteria. But there are other things. It's not the only, requirement. So I'm still reserving my decision. I will take a call on that very soon.
What about the post of chief whip of opposition?
Opposition chief whip.
Yes, as per the claim of the TMC, as they have the support of one lone Congress MLA in the person of Sri Ronnie V. Lingdo. So they have requested that the post of LO be given to TMC and the opposition chief will be given to Ronnie V. Lingdo.
U menteri rangba benrap ka jela ubadikmi yakatana District Council Affairs uba Preston tensang. Ulang baka sarkar jela kan sa penbena election caki artli ki District Council. Hadian belada banyo ya kamuhar na ulat ka jela yaki amendment bill. Haluar ka jingpen bet thmai yaki constituency jong ka KHADC but JHADC.
Habak kali mentah kas ngi bab kas tun lai tu bakas na DCA kala yo ya baro atli ki amendment bill bala manjo da ki atli ki autonomous district council batkan sapha no syaulat na ka benta ban ai muhor bat pentip ba hadin kata ka sarkar kan sesong ban simrai halor ka jing pelong ya ki election MDC Lapan kedua baik kesemua trikam jangki MDC, HKCDC, bat JHADC, lapan jalan rubnai, kaban kutno ha kesantrik nai lor banwan, nama kajing penbet temai ya ki constituency. Katkum kajing mi ha kila patai kubor laong, baka sarkar kala ban penjalan biang sa rubnai ya kesemua trikam ki MDC, hindai ya kene ke kubor 4 lapan pentikna, nama babaro atliki ADC kila dap ban monjor ya ke amendment bill, Bat pa banyo ya kemohon naulat kecil lah.
Right now we have received both the disc council, Jaintia and Khasi, the bill that they have already passed for that amendment of this thing, the delimitation. So now we are processing it to send it to the governor. Once the governor approve it, then we will notify.
Ka BJP kalapan pa ya ka jing persya jongka ya ka sarkar jela kabalat mu ban penjalan biang ya ka election MDC.
Hala kaneu nang aktien jang BJP ba M kharkrang laong ba kum kine ki kam ki bam da don kam than de ban ker.
This question was posed to me earlier also, and I was very clear, categorical, that we should not get into this extension, and because the mandate that the people had given earlier, 2019, was for 5 years. Now, probably many of the constituencies would want their representatives to be changed. So why not allow the people to, to exercise the franchise and extending like this? It's not a good sign. I feel. Myself personally, I feel it's not a good sign. If the term has ended, it has to, elections should be conducted. Unless you have very, very good reasons, like why it should not be conducted. And I really don't know how far this delimitation also will come. Whether this will be over by the month of February, because we were expecting it to be over by the month of September, but till now also doesn't seem to be. So now what happens later by the month of February, and in case it's not completed, then what do? You keep it extending. So I think so, these are elected people. They are elected representatives of the people for a period of 5 years. So, I feel that we have to stick to that. This extension, it's not healthy for democracy.
Weighted angle behind delaying elections, district council elections?
I will not be able to comment right now because the government must be giving, let's see what kind of justification the government gives this time. And the thing is, unless the elections are held and we get the results, then we'll know probably there may be some hidden agenda to all this. But of course, right now I'll not be able to comment because I'm not really privy to all these, what's happening inside.
BJP looking to contest elections?
Let's see. If candidates are there, then definitely we'll depends on the members of the party. If they indicate their willingness to contest definitely we will contest. But let's see how it comes along.
MP ka Congress na tura saleng sangma ulakin tho bakilangot ki MLA ka Congress ki bala pet syaga NPP ki bala yo ya ki jingkular manyo shibun ki kampenroy kila ban siyo tangda ki maunong rim.
Habakan ha kasngibaar syakilat patai kubor usaleng ulaong balik se kine kilangot kila perkat bakinyo ya ki kampenroy ha ki constituency jongki hindai ha bapit shwa ke election hajar pulai ke NPP kala pli ya ki block ya ki school hindai bun ki basu sa kumto klem trekam AA Kidani Community and Rural Development Block ki sa tang ke kerteng klem ke office bat bon ki school ki ba klem trekam kene ka sarkar ka syukwa bat pen itamasa henry kampin orlong pad ha ka kam ulaong ba kila ban syu sha penbe yala de ha ka jingsha phon ha ka NPP bat ka ke ba ki yo la ban tip ha ka ju ka por saleng ulaong ba ka congress kam du AA na ka jing pet jong kine kilai ngot ki MLA henry ka thong ka long ba kan sei da ki khmat thamai ha arjar phopra bat kan sawan phai biang ha ka rukom ka ba kham klein
No, I don't see any differences actually whether they are gone or not. I since they don't have a weightage, whether they were gone or not, whether they were there, I was not knowing about it because our focus is for 2028. You get my point? So that way, if you look at that aspect, I don't see any much of a differences. We are not at loss actually. Now, maybe what kind of an expectation and for what joy they have gone there, I don't know. They think that they can give development to their people, but look at how NPP has fooled during the election, just before the election 2023. They have inaugurated lots of projects, even blocks also. Okay, they've inaugurated the blocks, but yet none of the blocks. I mean, some of the blocks is still yet to be constructed. No figure is there till now. Not only the blocks. How many school is completed till that? Just imagine that one. None of the school is functioning till now. Look at. So, how do you expect that this government will give them something tomorrow? Again, maybe for Celestian, maybe for Charles, maybe for Gabriel, they might again make them ulu by inaugurating just with a block of foundation stone, or maybe inaugurating again virtually. This government is a virtual. It doesn't turn into reality. So likewise, I don't see. They might be fooling, or they themselves have fooled themselves. I don't know what gain they will get. Whether they have got money, whether they don't have got money, we don't know. But how much money they have got, that also we cannot ascertain.
So like you were saying,
No.
So what some see is that what has happened is as though the term of BJP to Congress Mukt has almost come to reality.
No. You just imagine. You just look back. You see, Congress was totally wiped out. I came in Congress in 2023 only. Just imagine 23 only. Before that, Congress was totally wiped out. Okay, totally wiped out. Now Congress is coming. Now Congress has get the momentum. Just because of one, two, fools, we will be bothered. No, I don't think so. We will not be bothered for 1 2 fools. And then we will never be wiped out. We have started. So this is just a beginning actually. We are beginning right now. So people trust, we are gaining more and more trust from the people. So we will do justice in the future, because you see, these are the same people, who were in the government last time. They were saying corruption. Now they're in the same people in a different boat. So likewise, but now we will have a different boat with the new faces. You got my point? So that way, I think the structure of Congress will be much better, because we'll have a selective, the ideas and selective people in the coming days, and the new generations will definitely come up. So that way, I think Congress will be doing much better in the coming days. Not at loss at all, I'm telling you. It's like a fly, in the elephant, hump. You got my point?
U MP katura ubade u MLA barem ka gambe gre u saling esangma ulapen pau ya ka jing persya halor ka jing keno jongki MLA ka National People's Party NPP halor ka jing keno ba ka gambe gre constituency ka nang Saadian Shibun haki kampen roy nakaliang jong u lakin tu kelai kiniki MLA baki di ban pelai jingmur ba halaki jongki constituency takabak kedauru bakiladon po ka sarkar mentala hendrius nam.
Now you see, in some part of my constituency, I had been there for 15 years, and after the limitation, in some part which I got it after 10 years. That means in some part I'm 10 years, in some part I'm 15 years. Total my whole tenure in my constituency is 15 years. In the last 1 year, I was campaigning thoroughly only for the MP election. That's why even on that time also, I was trying hard to at least give something for my people, do something for my people. Okay, whichever I could not do. Now, for example, when they're saying these things, especially in this monsoon season, which are the area where they can to and fro from every nook and corner in the constituency? Tell me, do you think Rakam's constituency can be like that? Do you think, in Reshu? Do you think in Silsila? Do you think about the, Ramsakona. These are the areas where, there is a ruling MLA. But my constituency is not ruling MLA. And then moreover, I had been once in the opposition, as an independent for whole 5 years. But at that time also I did lots of things for my people. Now, for example, when I stood first for an election, I could not drive my vehicle to any villages, maximum of the villages. Now, you go anywhere, you can fly through that road with any kinds of vehicle. So, what that means then, and then moreover, in my constituency, I've got agricultural marketing, I've got International Pinemont International School, I've got residential school, I've got CAC, which I just got it also. Now, Eklavia School is also on the way, and then moreover, lots of other developmental things has happened. I've got, what do you call it? Even the dispensary for the livestock from the age veterinary, like that, And then moreover, there were more than 200 numbers of timber bridges in my constituency. But now, you won't see even a single timber bridge in my constituency. Not only that one, a new road has already come up in my constituency. Now, when you are trying to complain and then play politics about my constituency, look at the constituency who has been ruling their constituency, from the day one as a ruling. Just check their constituency first and then reflect mine. Then speak wisely. You got me? And they're talking about the, employment. Now, lots of educated unemployed youths are increasing every now and then. In whose constituency you look at those things? When I became the first MLA in my constituency, there were merely few graduates in my constituency. Okay, in 2009-10, just to push our people to apply for that teachers, we were searching for all those graduates from my constituency to push them to apply also, but we could not find in 2008 and 9. Now lots of graduate has come up from my constituency. So look at the education system, how we have somewhat plunged from nothing to somewhere. You got my point? And then we have created lots of communications through different departments. There was nothing. You could have imagined, whenever I give lecture in my constituency, I used to compare from that Noah's time. From the day of Noah, there was not even a single blacktop in my constituency. Now, how they are supposed to tell me that? You see, that constituency belonged to P.A. Sangma's own brother-in-law, Admiral K. Sangma. At that time, there was not, there was only one or two blacktop. Now more than hundreds of blacktop you can see now. At that time, not only Admiral was a minister, even P.A. Sangma was a minister, union minister. Remember? P.A. Sangma was a union minister and Admiral K. Sangma was a minister in state. So, how do you imply those things? When the road connectivity was not there, just after me only, the road connectivity, and the thoroughfare can be seen right now. Otherwise, during the monsoon season, no marketing could have been seen. Now, any market, it's growing also. Any market will never be stopped also, even during the, heartful rain season. So, what does that imply? Critics will come in, but they should see the reality and they should see the real picture, what was and what is right now.
Ka sarkar jala kan sekren shwa halor ka jing panpor jong ka harijan panchayat committee hadu atayo bakhadu jong banai nai lor ban ai rai halor ka jing terwa kinria na them motor them yo molong
Usembut mentirang ba ubah Preston dan Song Long hadin balayo ya kasih naga HPC ke sarkar kan syong ya kejingelang mentah katayo pansim ya karai la kan menjur ne am ya kejingpan po jong ka HPC laban kedua ba hadin kejingelang hapdeng ke sarkar bat ke HPC ke balak long ha ke protrik mentah benai ke HPC ke 8 pon na ke sarkar khasan ban ya selok biang shwa paramaki haswa ban airai henre hinne ke sngia protrik nailar ke HPC ke lapha da ke city sya ke sarkar pan por susu hadu katayo bakhadu jong unailar banwan da ka ba aida bakimpat yo ban ya selok bat ki bahe noilam na Amritsar ba Delhi.
I just seen today that letter. I think our deputy CM in charge of urban affairs. So I think we will sit down within this week itself among ourselves. Then we will take a call and decide.
But sir, the government has decided not to have any more discussion beyond 15 days. Sir?
Yes, of course we have done that. But again, we received the the request from their side that they need one more meeting. So for that, as I said to you, I'll not say anything right now because I need to call a departmental meeting. Then we sit down and then we'll decide.
Kinong rap jong kathain mau kenro constituency hagajan mi jong ka arpu pratari gunailar ar hajar arpu saw kilawan ban ai khuble yo MLA kathain uba ban teidor halor ka jing prat lenti jong u nakabenta kathain mau kenro ban pin kiudor yaw sensar
kajing kiudor usun rai kala ai men sem ya ki pai ba kathain mau kenro constituency bat kala rap shibon ya kinong rap ki baju rap ya usensar hak bakran kila pathai kubor ki nong rap kila pen pa ba hakine ki sngi bala dep usensar hakathai nula her dor shabapalat bat kalakta shibone ki nong rap namar tang kebai sngi bai bela kamsim laya hap shu bat kador badi ya usensar henry hadien kajingsim khiao MLA banyak kendu ya menteri rangba menta usensar la kiu dor kendiat lai thu ba kador menta na ka sau pho tingka kala kiu sha ka san pho tingka tam ai
Benya pamno dakan nega seng noriam kamu ikut ka broomstick association mau kenro dan nakaling kejonga hakacing hakapor kaba kerke kila shani yang abangan longu presiden jong nega seng dan nakaling kejong yi haswa bangin ya cekmat kendiat kumala penpau sama bangimla lemda aga cingu syoglai trai kenrat bahadin ba kami ke cingu cingnam laki pejba jong kasnong karaj bat kamo kan rohi brokawai nakaling ke chungyi kum kirang ba bat ngalong ruwai u rang ba sinong jong thai ke sinong rang khlang hakju kapor barna snow dapram habang phai sikan ke chinga jungi pejba namar yang ala penhe pensan dakakai kabadai narang khlang rasom bat la penhe pensan yang benthen khao benthen yik ching rangam leng badau sensar tanda kali ke chonga habu ya snow ya ke cingot cingnam cuki pejba kumwai urang ba sinong ngalalum ya kuwai ke cingyalang haka komiti sinong bat ngilara ya ke cing seki pejba nong sinong bada kawai kasur ngilesim ya karai man haka arfu pratarik bunai ban ro bangilarai benra ya kena kecing hayam mele jong kathai na kata kadau kalabi kecing ya kendo badi mele badan buram jongi bani snor ban penpau kecing kemen ke bakrau bahaden bangila yo ban ya kendo jong badi ilai cimut ban ya hotno da kawai ke cinyalang barok kawai ka mau konro konsumsi tangki nongrat sensar ta kumta ngile simno ya kasenjam ban ya lum ban ya lang menhakan lagi benai ke ladap tenda kali ke chung yi ni penpau ke ching snow keman ke bakrau habah ke basdang yau ne usansar unambar panikong upoi sausan badi unambar baar upoi laipong handrai haden bangilayakhi haden bangilaya kerpat rengkat badi yamle ili lialam siyeng jong usiam bandakali usiam ulah syashkor ikan kecing kerpat kecungi mentahi tayau si tayau ngilayo ya kador unambar paningkong sanpo tangkas kilo baka cingwan kecungi hang ni kalong katau ba katau san kalong banai kaburom yu emle walayalam lenti banyak kendok marhmat bani kinorep sensar hayeng usiam
Kinong yalam ka dorbas nong umroy madan lingba urang bas nong bat secretary nong kilapen pau ya ka jing sokya ka bajur halor ka jingmi jong ki katu ka ni kirang ba kibala nang yai that ya ka snong hakilat pathai kubor da ka bakam ba ka jing thumu bansna ya ka surok folin nalat umroy sha malidor kabanya lingba ka ni ka snong kan sawan ra ya ka jing ta ha ki telong umbam umdi
Uba lambon lang makri lang ba snong bat uba banshan scam renja sekretari snong ko umroy madan haba kren syakla pathai kubor sa chisin pat kila pensyai ba katkum ke jingtip bala don ding ba kador ba snong ba kene ke surak folen bansa snasyan kanum kta ekitelong umbam umdi hinre la da long shisha kumba kendo da kiri urang ba kamtam uba CL ma sharing uba dei udkot ke isi jong kador bar balai umwan ra ekene kamat hapo ke executive committee jong ke snong hinre ke don jimut ayu ban shulit hat ha kila pathai kubor kila pentip ru ba halo ke jingle jurep da ki katto ka ne kirang ba sha ka jaka batmu ban snaya une usurak na ka liang ka dor ba snong kam don jingtip setia laino tang ka jing pentip ba shen na ka liang ka office udisi un sapha ya ki officer ban li jurep ya ka benta ba hap hapo ka ne ka snong na benta ka jing tmu sna surak bat ka dor ba snong kadang ap ban yo ya ka tarik halor ka ne ka jing jurep
ini belum kambun siap luai na aneng ni ba tending desa anu seneng teh kasus kata isate seneng ba lawan bajing na hano kasus
sai biang ha ka bede ban ka jingmi biang ka media ka bahnin ka singi ka bala kentoru ya kinong kit kam snong ki bamenta te an pensyai kendiat dah bede bot kata ha ka benengkong mensua lawan ban survey na kate ka existing kabarim te bat hadin nadu mensip stem ngiyo ka jing teba ka alignment bat mai na sate sharing lum ru kawan te kampat wan hi da ka jing tho kapati kena sya ka dor bar snong ru ba lakan ya na ka existing kabarim ne na ka bat mai ya kata kampat don ka finalize nang nuro te Maria pernah ya kata hi ngilale wud na kaliang kador barsnong ban tho saudisi ban pentip bayok kakta ya kata ka umbam undi te kumbalap pensyai menhagani ha katu ka baladep ha ka lengba ki media ru ngaladep hi banong ba ya kitarik ki ngaladep ban batai hang tu te kalong ba mentala da kawan nang ta lese kabu jingma tingila bu hi gitu ki jing tho te kala nakaliang bisiru ula pentip sya ka NHIDCL ba yo kalong kum tau la pentip ya kata ka jingtho ka bu pha ru la pha return biang sya ka dor bar ngilayo ya ka receive te kamde ka bangingi thep haduli la ngi thep hapla kum balami ya kita long khobor menin kasngi te nrei haba kata ka alignment kawan nang ta te nakaliang ka NHIDCL kilawan biang sai sisien ngatrai kumba arbnai ne kumta la kila dep banwan re inquiry biang ya kate ka jaka ba lalap ba kala jengai kumba sanpho mitar ai na kate ka susum te haba kala lai kumta ngim ong bat ngim la ban batai start ba kan kta ne kam kta te renga klem ong ru ba kan wan kata ka flyover renga suong le se la bangin approach mon kum nang lang kasnong hadian ba lada kamdon option na we le se nang te bet kan dei kata ka option telak ban approach da kumnu ru ya kita department ba kinwan ya kata ban le hak bede ban bah kamiat ya kata ka umbam umdi te om komban ya batai start da mono tengah try na kaliang kinong kit kam snor kumdehi kita ki expert ki balak ban batai bakala jengai sanpo mitar te kanum kta syu tengah try na kaliang jong iba CL Mesyering lani iba Timur Benyang ru imla ban batai start kum ki expert bala dawan kan satwa komta kan salek komta Henry na kaliang iba CL Mesyering ba iba Timur Benyang ila dep ban pelaj ha ki telung kubur boper hak arpo terik jong uni hiu benai ba kita aku beliru di si bang lolong balak keloi ban wan ban inquiry dala di ya kata ka susum apa senong kejungi te balai kim up haduk bandawan utah te balai banda that media biang sai sisin tengah try la da unwan utah audisi unwan ra hebat kibor badai pek de kmi kita ki expert hadin balawan kita tengah try na kaliang jungi kinong sungkit nongkit kam senong ngin hap ya don bentalang ta na kaliang audisi undon kita ki expert kindon bat na kaliang kini ki bersya baki bu kata ka jing tho audisi kini don lang bat kesenong kata hang ta tingin ya pet kan ka ansar ka bami hang ta hadin balawan banle da kita ki bor expert ba lada kalong kaban sukses nang teru ngatrai kabiang lada kalong kabam sukses ro nilala ban yakran te mentagi ong balai bamrak dorbar te kumnungin rak dorbar habang idang subuh tang kajing tho bat kata kakot kawan bakadang long kumta te buat makiru kidon kajing sutu badang don kajing yakrat ba kita gibor expert kim patwan te ban cek ya kate ka jakala kalong kab ibit nem ibit ya kanika furlin bakan wan nang ta te kam dei pat ken ban suya that media ya kinong kit kam snong ba kim le lane kumne kumtai hato kade ka baha kani te kalong ka ka ba kum bagila kren bale se kadon ka salendet ngan sukren kendiat ya kata na kaliang iba CL Mesyering lele ila dei lupa idkot ka stip komiti jong kani ka dor bar snong muroi merat bat ka bosong thamula pat kendiat ro kumuri orang ba unthat man daga media hanre la nadu ke praterik kumbai la ong bala de panlong ya kata dorbar man tau snem praterik u Julai na Jun mo ila de panlong ya ke dorbar te la dakira pajba jong ka dorbari gila ban la de ong ya i ba idei i kat usti komiti tingi la pha na kaliang kum ngaus ke tedi ngala pentip bangidon ka usti komiti ila de ken banwan apo ka usti komiti ban ya keren lese la kan dei na kam benta kata ka furlin ne ka dei na kinu ki jonon kam hapo kusnong kathau te ngantip pet ken ba kiadon arngut laingut nganom mention pat igi kertang te balai kimlong ki bala kloi banwan ha bala pentip badon ka executive committee lese kila don lupa ka plan ka ke basal ndet jongki ba kinwan ra kum kini kijing that madan sendon ya ka snong ke jongi bat ngan ong sendan ba kum kiri rong ba le kum kiri rong ba lada le kum ni kapau badang long kelung kena empat long rang ba teh bahaduk kat ni sendan ban that ya ka senong ka thau hanre klem da don klem da wan pa bat da ka buburam ngan keren sendan ba na kaliang ka senong hi ngi kwa ba ngin ya long kawe ngin ya bah ba ngin nom ya kan tho ban nom ya kawang iwe te bat ngan keren sendan ha ka media manta ba ngin salum hi ya ka executive committee bat nga kermen hiru bana kaliang iba CL Mesyering bat kit khot executive member kinlong ki bala kloi banwan ha ka executive committee ka ban ngin sakhot ha ka nun ko por bangin ya keren bakan ja no kan nompau kum kini ki baro ki ban long penlengo bat ka jing kentho langar nga kentho nakir ke kentho ke kani ni ka por ni nakaliang jong ngakum rombok senong lembat ki khat senong sekretari senong ke kabdi bat ka jing mi ya ka bor lemba jong tu ki rombak
kibal penmi emenen sengi ngidan biang ban pensai nakaliang jong kadar barsnong lomba YKE kaba kila pen mi aki media nak benta jong kete kesus ya kejingwan kejongki ya kaban jurip bat ki media te nakaliang jongi kun ki kadar barsnong ni klem ya dar kat bat ki te hakabide pat tu bangili yu ban ya ketu ka kubor te nakaliang jongi sngo sudan ban pen sngo namar ba kat kum ka jinglik bu jongki hakatu ka banungkong ya ka komplain so DC lo kular ya ki ba DC hun pha e gibreu ban wan pej wan mi rangkat bat kasnong hari ya kete jaka te nakaliang jong kasnong i ap kemi lenti ya kata ya ka bakin ya wan biang ya ka bakin ya pej lang bat ngi kasnong bat ki bat DC bat gibreu jong DC kenang ya ba upat bat nong song snong unyo ya ka jingsai ka bat kena te hakal jingwan ka jongki menin te nakaliang jong ngim nom sui bat ba ya ka ba ka ba kila pensu kila pha pat cha ki media te ngi don ban pensai ba ngin yai ap hi ya ta ka por ka ba DC hi un pha ya ta gi breu ki jongki nakaliang jong ko office bakin ya pe ya khmi lang bat ngi bat ki bat ki breu na ko office jong DC te kendiat ha bodor ita ide na benta jong kete khusus te kendiat pat ha bide ban pensai pat ya ka jiwan jong ni ko forlin kumba laong dai ba timar banyang namar ba kan ko forlin kalawan na du nalat roy hadu te beli ba ka kiu pat sete selum badon kasus jong kasnong pemandan dengan su pensai yang ni namar ba nakaliang jong ni kum kasnong ngimtip ya kata haba ka sorkar ka penyat ya kan ya kalain lemba kasnong umdok berthi ka ba kiu pat sate selum ban poi lem sakani ka jaka jong kasnong madan kecungi bat kunju uruk seduk sate senong laban naten nalum te hakabide bat ka jingtip kham banyak te ngatharai lade ban keli na ka office jong DC ba bale ba ka kiu pat habukut jong kom ka kiu no selum bale kamwan na po surok ka berim kumbalaong iba timar banyang nakaliang jong iruk lada kawan hinam do berti naga berim tolong hasunong murai madan ro kan hap hiban wan naga berim ketang ba ulah pen kiu no nang te nam do berti station yang jadi nak ta ka daulong ba kangat no ya kate kasusum kujungi ya ke ba bahatam na ka benta jong upat ba nong song sunong tolong ni an ni ap mi lenti ya kata ka ba udisi un pha ya kibreu rekat bat ngi kisnong bat ki kinong libu komplain bangin ya pe ya mi bahaya kate jaka la ka du sisane ladawan kata ka forlin ne kat kum kalan ka bakila peni long bakahyar serum ya kan laj lada kan laj hite nakaliang jing senong tingin ong kumno tambang mi lenti pat long ba udisi bat kibor penia kibor kiban company kaban snai kate long ba kan le ya ka bahan ka bahatam kenang ba pat ba nong senong jongi unom du ya kate ko kum malaya tam nikah di pensai nakaliang jonga
kirang bat kithe yakun kti ka jala Meghalaya kibala mikmat nakari India syakaransan yakun kti ka World Arm Wrestling Championship 2024 ka Basakusan bat ka World Para Arm Wrestling Championship 2024 ka ba Apun Rio ka badang sidap banlong ha Moldova daw ba Europe kilayo man korhado kendai teli kitakma nakanikaransan ha ki Jacob jongki
Kita kirang bat kita kibala yo bankor ya kendai teligi takma ki kentup ya ke kong starina jasain kabakor ya utakma rupa halef hand grandmaster women jongka rupo kilo bat ya utakma renong ha ka right hand grandmaster women kabah rupo kilo Kekong Margaret Patau kalak Korea utakma renong ha ka left hand master women ha ka rupo kilo bartakma rupa ha ka right hand master women jong ka rupo kilo Kekong mi skong ba rembai ka balak Korea utakma rupa ha ka left hand grandmaster women jong ka prapo kilo bat ha right hand grandmaster women jong ka prapo kilo Kala yok Korea utak marupa kasamla senibi singkli kala kor artli gitak mar nong kaba ha ka right bat left kategori bat ubak Hubert paler ulak Korea katak mar nong ha ka para arm wrestling ha ka kadan rupo kilo
Angel. Oh, pescado.
Play TV media baru, kalau ay keluar berkorban, namun tajuk nak kalian jangan kenal yang lekai barem, yang semua kalau kiri kiri ke pelan tahu sebab negeri doi ni lah yo, Arnold iway master, bangin poi perkat in poi hidup kami ke level, di kamtan youth, nomor ni dah kami yo na India, youth category, ban yo bronze medal. Kalau nak ikut pasal mensibuan nak bentang jelas jeng Meghalaya di Boracay, Karibay, ke East Coast Hills, ke Konstari Naru, balong Grandmaster, lala banyak medals. Kubah kamsor pun nak tadi nama tay kong singkli, ihap singkli. La preshitam shisha. Kubah ngim la ban modal nama kawit kategori jeng ini dan kubah katway ngot, di la qualify do bronze. Yang so komen sibon, ya jadi presiden jadi bagi junior, ini ketong. Di kamtam nama tay hibat paliat pat, bah nila ni kamter mencu ini visa, hakalas hakatarik kebakat do, bangila ada bani menstep kio eka visa di la qualify bronze. So komen sibon kini ada itu kini ada bagi junior lagi kini ada nanti. Ialah dia pat kalong bah this time panma bangla bang kuai siapa koi barabor na ai men sem ni kini ki wei pat bikin nang kiu syapang kinang yo pat ya ka wei ka benta ka bakam sedrong ya ka banga ngelaju yo sipo
kani ka world championship kidan repuweight li kiri na repuweight li kiri anong ipi ba baru repuweight kiri lawan beta kata ka 100% di chipen create mengiling ilong GA but indai manu dari blade try kendrat nadu kapur bagi ya penkrek tim simlaklet bania IT lut hadu kesni ke bami hadu kesni ke balik kai bat katakan nam bat keburam kelapau lembah tu di salut kitai berkirang balik kai te ngasiu kuat ban ong iki babarok i kat arwut ni di option barok ki kat arwut kila ai ke babatam ke lek kai pha kim simla rem rai dari kila wan skmat hi kajingele kadon aman ki kategori tesua ban yin ya skmat pat skwa ban ong ifi ba ki ini besong sekadiang tengah ide na po Jaita Hills kasian bandingkong bagi demi ki thai samla na po Jaita Hills di kong Olivia Dakar simla job ide indai la wan skmat di sementara nak kalian jongka youth kategori kemudian nak kategori di samla di ID idai nak po ke youth ini ru ila kai ke senior ru laju job po ai itu senam meladap ke Asian level mereka world mereka rentan ke behetam dari lawan cekmat ini bisa melak berapa juta tong di Pong Angel ini nak kalian grandmaster kemudian nak kalian master kategori kemudian Kaupong senam seluar ini ru ila job senam meladap lawan kerdan Malay dari gani ke senam ke pemerintah kalau kami ini dari di mana kerdan ke besar ini di napok junior ini ru di sin bandingkong bagi mi kepat nak kain juga kasih hil kerteng jungi kedai Bandri Hun cek lingdo ini ru di lala bentai madan nak leng ke kategori jong ke junior antangin paipat di Kong Starina Grandmaster kemudian post dan seluar di ini Iwan Baar nak liang ke tiga mon mo bat balai nak liang ke tiga diang di ini ideru di nong mare bapau jung ke jela jungi mare marasan di ikong mi suha Ya kot. Komisi baru Iwan naka kategori Sampo Snem Seluar Grandmaster bala ale kai la slam ha. Jumpa jiok lat nakadau di kot Islah Reni Snem uba kemai Islam Arpo Arpusau ula yade bahaya ka jingim jingman jugi la yo ka pasport la biang kot Islah ila yo ban mi baran ban la ru ban pau sunan ya kana ban kubrom ya ka ri India ya ka ri Meghalaya ila yo silver berarti di ini imla banyeng ini dari Leska Pengrup ini dari baju liak kai ke basketball liak kai ke amsing tenis nem berkemai minta lawan akan ini liak kai amsing bayala menpau bahaka national level akan ini ke world level pada isuan tentu syaki third round fourth round ila liak kai bah ini ru musim wala musim lala ban poi sekatong ini ru ide samlai bala jujok teng haka Asian level ide samla iba menang ban bomla ban keren kedai ka kategori jung i kedai ka para standing hearing impairment lale kai bah wan balai naka ti jongka diang i magret tengam dadan kaman peditu Andai ladai lupa keluar jongka distrik jongfi ladai keluar jongka ri Meghalaya ladai keluar jongka ri India hani keti bomtar ila le kai bah nakaliang jongka master kategori di ila yo silver but bronze di ini di kongsi lebih nasya kan boy jongfi na umdan mo di ini ru ila le kai bah kadi kasin ka beringkong bi job ka won wala ila job ka Asian level
ngam ke burom jong gejala jungi wat ladang ilong tang gijai bengriu di bari kepat tang sitro hari midon pada kata-katong ya kabal gini kupiet batu gijai bengriu di bala kiu sekemat perang kemar was semua keminta pergi ke mana tu kata-kata kalong ba gijai bengriu jungi tang sitro di poi hadu kan di stage mau ke jingtre stong ni bat gamdai ke jingtre jong ni ai ke jingtre ke bukan lagi bahaya ngasem nyuki lagi kun kita nyuki ya baro di bala karsan lang kini kita kesan yang kita berkumpul yang kita konsumlah jadi benora yang kita kanam jadi kita kita kesan yang kita agari kita beli jangan jual terkawai. Jika sobat ayah kita beli kita bok ruang yang kita baru lagi ketin kita belum kot, ba kemudian kita jingkot hendak dani sekemat kita nak misi susu kita keluar kita jelek kai jungkari. Bat kita kesan jung kita bahaya sem, bat ini kita bat nak hilang kalau kita kesan yang kita agari bat jadi beli jung hanya terap hanya sum ni. Ngamdon ni batong ni kublai sibun ublai undan kat bat pihak isi bang sa ni berkinang la isu kumlo bela bah bat kumlo benang kan tu isu ya kenika jingil kai ni kamdei tang hakan ne ba habro bat ni so bon ong ba habro jingil kai benang kiu smart wat so ei nam tajung tu galiang ki jung ki don hadu kasawut ki dong simta di sha kan ni sing ali bon yo kumlo lang ki bro kasaw tang hadi har jing yo bo bolkot ei dumi la ei ki wat tu ei keburom ni ailang ni ki bro belai simta kan ni kai lo kita mulu juga kan, bah penanya Islam ada juga ada jadi senang bah dari baca berdiri ini, hi kan kadang yo kata kanam nam tak ada berdiri ini kumpi pun menjadi.
Kamau sebut boxing club MBC, haka aku nyotarik unailar ajar aku saw, kalau penkop buram ki kat wengut ki kena elekai jong kan ika club, ki balai yo manlet yashim benta, syaka state level, bat ke national level.
Ki kena ke club kila yo ban kor lai teli ki tam kser. Wei tak marupa bat atli tak marnong katba ulio Fernando ulayo badru kum unong yakura uba pensa tam haga jela haga negesingi la penkup ya ki kena ki balala ban wanra medal baja ki ba klem la ban yo medal ru kumju haga ju kepor ki la penkup burom ya uba lari karpran uba la yo ban lek kum unong pit perman observer syaka Olympic ke barang syudap long ha Paris. Akan negeri jingelang penkup burom lawan ban yadon rengkat da UMLA Marikneng constituency uba Havingstone Karpran kum kongsan urang ba snong ke snong Mouseboy uba ERS Nonghar uskatri snong uba ti mienta ki noyalam ba hakmat ke MBA ki dekat ke MBC kirang ba dong ki kemikpa bad ki kena elekai kete ke klub
Isa lari Karpran ide iwe lalong ubutno jongka jela ka jongi hati lihat bela hangam yang kecil kai boxing lemma i kane ka jela jongi hati yang kane ka wajib simayo kan dia usah jong jingjo ni kum ka club ni pensioner bei dang yai trace dong bagi ni okai dia so jom kan jing jom kamalong apo Indo Sports Hall Maulai Mauro nadu kaki nyau tarik hadu kendai tarik u Agus Hajar Sam Padang sudah Please pun ma Please Nadu kutai tarik, kadu kandil tarik, kadu kutai tarik, tujuh Hajar Abdullah. Tom Noida. Kamalong Apo Indo Sports Hall Maulai Mauro Nadu kandil tarik, kadu kutai tarik u Agus Hajar Sam. Sudah Please pun ma Please Nadu kutai tarik, kadu kandil tarik, kadu kutai tarik, tujuh Hajar Abdullah. Kamalong Apo Indo Sports Hall Maulai Mauro Nadu kaki nyau tarik, kadu kendai tarik u Agus Hajar Sam. Padang sudah Please pun ma Please Nadu kutai tarik, kadu kandil tarik, kadu kutai tarik, tujuh Hajar Abdullah. Ini cai dekla represent Buk Yaka Jela Kejongi akan Sub Junior National Boxing Championship Padang Shillong Port Noida.
Kau mana pun singkar, mau singkar pun singkar pun. Karena ini kita kesing, kalau kami mau, kau kayak jalan mau kau nggak sab, mau kita kira kau pakai kata gut mau. Tapi wan sing kami kau nak tahu pun kita tu sing. Tapi apa hanya kami kita mau dibayar CBP, hari sing sampai ini menung tukar hal kisah. Jadi beliau berada kau juga boxer, pernam, pemikir, kerja, India. Kita kumpulan dari laporan dia konjungta mo. Tapi kamu kata kerja berkongsan kami kipar amin sim dan begini kebetulan kesap kapong nora ke buram ye kesam bagi kesam ketau cekcek mungkin ke state hidup kau bahkan yang kau ini kita kepa salong kita kipir kepa jok kelak cikaman bekerja di kesam ada nak buat dengan kita kerja bahkan kita NBTA Mekra Boxing Association habis dengan manusia kepadu pembela manusia kepadu disebut pada dalam latihan ini, mana kita tahu kata juga sepanjang power baik tu kita expect dan yang musuh sukses story yang musuh mana ni ini kena semua tips dalam boxing. Jadi orang akan mah cukup mikirnya cukup dia kita sini. Kita tahu keempat juga betul kalau latih pada mesin dan terkenal kalau nalar dengan kumpulan yang persen kalau latih pada kecil pada ujung pada mesin dan nah, dia tak kini kita job, pergi bom job tu, kiwi ru di bawah, tiba-tiba kita luka disiplin, tiba-tiba sah football kiwi ru. Kita cinta lang, dan kita tiu kita cinta kai, berfair menolak boxing, dan kan kita show cinta apa, kan kita stay apa, bagi macam ini kita orang kita beram, kita laundry buat besar, laundry hati kami kita besar. Tapi kita lihat kita yang mendengarkan hal itu seseorang di dalam bersurat berpresiden, modal ke orang pelikon, dan ke orang jangka bayi, dan ke orang berdekai, mau cakap kaya belum, dikini pilihan dekai, ini ke cingdekai boxing, kalau sebagai exercise pembengtam te nungkap sebagai exercise kum kini boxing sebagai best pergi exercise berapa dikrishigo
Kibor penya jong ke Chief Minister Youth Center CMYC ke Shnong Saiden kelayo sa sisian ban pelong ya ke second exhibition kabapin inam ya kisap jong kisam la ke ni ke Shnong ya kabala sanjor dagan ka center limba ki jinghikai baper lagade ha kabansan ya ki umso ki ashar ki kam than sopti bat ki we
lawan man aiman semat bansa kia ki kam ka CMYC da ke kong RB Lingwa District Sericulture Officer Ribo District Kumukong San Layadon Langru Uba Eke Lapang Rangba Shnong Saiden kinong yalam jong ke Seng Samla Senglong Kmi Youth Club kinong tre jong ke CMYC kikon samla jong ke Shnong Saiden lambat kiwe
I just taste something.
Nila pusang obat berkut kok ya kan nila stoy dia saat dia kena pergi tak semua school kita lambi kita sibuk ke betul bak ngangkat bak nang pernah ke Piro lalu karena betul kalau jika as a chief guest please more what to eat now nggak don kapsu sibuk di kamu jira nang pernah dikenal mentah pilih order cake kapsu order cake nang po nono walau dah ke birthday order kilo kita kijam kiba pila boleh jadi kita mencari kilo sibuk but ngajiero yesa jeru it means for more of this stuff dapat sewas Hanya bisa nilai pun dikibat berkut terkasna nilai soy yang ban puten yang sasna tambah tak kawai ngadon malong sajeru wadalong kebala kitiki kena kejogi wadam dot sebagian ki kham jenjang para apply
ये करो मुस्की चला yang sel sangat populer dari sewa sih dari lepas pakai air sedikit kenapa pakai sup bagaimana mengenai nak kepercayaan kalau dia kerja sudah jadi bagi kerja itu pakai distok jadi kan ada bagi kena dari tinggi Ngejkan, maka wegeski, ngini bagi penonton orang menjadi besar, kita seperti.
Kebakan ni kayu sender karya. Hak betul kau yang semua mana boleh. Lepas hak itu dia jadi kecuali niru boleh. Niru lah expect pakai kamu serta dari mana super niru. Nggak cara itu yang tadi, kan? Nggak semua orang boleh ini tim. Lepas kecinta si kamu lebih lomba peningkai skills. Ada yang skills kepada different skills berbeda. Hari ini nanti niran skills mengolah ni nak bershare tim, ni nak bertahan masuk, ni nak bersenang. Mereka apa ni juga nanti apa kita lada kecil dalam turun dari kecil itu sejusan kan menjana di kampung Jodi. Kini di center mengaku mengaku dalam resource person dan di master trader dari pak di master trader penjanaan yang terkontrol ke Jodi. Bahwa habang share di video itu pada kemudian di skill. Lain, mereka kumno pemimpin power ke program kumno yang belum ya kau kalah bagi niyo persen lagi kami cakap. Ni semua orang habang pas tidak graduate yo ni nak yo berproses yo tahu. Habang hari di dia accounting betul. Lada ibu sistem kami sedang berjalan ada dia. Nggak ada next kan, berarti sekarang berarti kamu kerja betul kamu syak. Kau yang kalau kerja betul kerja ni orang kamu syak apa? Kilo terberat ya lah kata. Kau lah kilo item ya ibu. Kita lagi ni kalau ni happen shift yang ada dia. Asal itu punya lagi ni kita ni lah orang ngomongin ni kau ni kamu sana kamu Niyo berkawan apa? Niyo berkawan kawan buat. Tapi kini long kenal berkawan di long macam ni baik. Ni semua kenal pengiriman sesuai dapat kita kini dikenal kepada kontrol. Mereka tu perlu pergi long dunia long hari itu. Ada tu. Ada di involve di got dari di baik akan di baik. Kalau yang kan di long ni yang tinggal terbang ini dikenal sama dikenal dalam Malaysia yang kita katakan bahwa ini sangat ahli. Kenapa kita sering bilang begitu saja? Hal dijauh di lain. Kalau orang itu kalau ada di klinik ada di chest dan chest ini different activities. Ini extracurricular activity kalau habang yung direkan sa paglogi ng naman pa yung kapitid all works and no play makes gesture one.
Aswa bangin penkono ang enya pai biang syakimat kibakongsan sa sisir. U Dr. Mukul kum unong yalam kaliang persya ha assembly. Adian balayo ka muhor na ulat man sa penbena election MDC ong u menteri rang ba benram. Benko buram ka mouse boxing club yang kadwingot ki kena ya lekai ka club. Bat ki ki kubor. Badak itu ngilapoi siya kabakut jong gani ka tup kubor. Insaya siyambiyang bat piya ka wepat katayo. Play sibon.